Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Alex from CJ. Recently, we have received some clients' complaint of us raising too much shipping fee. We totally understand their frustration, but the reason we're doing so is carriers has largely raised their shipping fee. It appears to buyers that we are the one who increased the overall fee. From where we stand, we're also traumatized by the situation because the overall cost for our product to reach our customers will be increased, and it also will be less budget-friendly for our client. The reason behind this phenomena is simply the principle of demand and supply. Considering the undergoing outbreak of coronavirus, many countries have cancelled their commercial flights. For those remains, most of the flights regarding transporting medical accessories as their priority instead of regular commercial goods. With limited cargo space and uprising shipping demand, carriers are putting hopes on rising shipping fee to filter out some less urgent goods. As for our company, we don't want this situation to happen either, since it will eventually lead to more expensive overall costs for our product, which leads to less likely chance for our client to do business with us. Speaking of figure, all of our carriers has raised the shipping fee from approximately 20 to 40%. That is already the second and third time of fees increasing since early March. The fee adjustment from the last couple times were not that dramatic, usually less than 10%, but this time it's a big bump for buyers. Our European and American clients will be suffering the most, since these are the destinations the carrier raised most of their fee on. Yang One is a carrier that I want to particularly mention. It raised the shipping fee to US by 227% and to UK by 120%. Other regions will suffer a fee bump as well, usually ranging from 10 to 30%. This information is especially for our client from CG Liquid at South America, Middle East, and Pacific Islands. Without further statistics to show the coronavirus being contained, we're expecting another wave of shipping fee surge in the near future. Right now, government globally has tightened the entry policy, and therefore the amount of flight will be even more limited. Folks, keep calm, carry on, and stay at home. Let's hope for a wave of consumption surge after this current situation. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. See you next time.